Good afternoon, students. Let us start with the chapter 2, Physical Features of India. We had already discussed yesterday the different things lie on the over India, means physical features, mountains, plateaus and plains, and what are the tectonic boundaries. Here we are discussing about the Great Himalaya Mountains. These Himalaya mountains divided into 3 layers, and the area, means this Himalaya mountain covered 2400 kilometer area from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. And this Himalaya mountain we are dividing into 3 layers. So we are with the help of this, so we are dividing 3 layers in the Himalayas to detail description of these layers. So first we are discussing about the uppermost layer. We are mostly called this layer is Upper Himalaya, Himadri mountain range. The first layer, the uppermost layer of the Himalaya is Himadri mountain range. This northernmost range covered with whole year with snow, means the northernmost range of Himalaya is covered with all time with snow, and his average height is approximately 6000 meter. In this mountain range, in this layer, some mountain peaks are Mountain K2, Mount Everest, etc. are the different peaks of this mountain range. These height of these mountains are more than 6000, and this is covered with snow and made of granite, not made of soil. Mostly hills and mountains made of soil, but this Himadri mountain range made of granite. Granite means it's a rock. So move to the next layer. The second layer here is, this is the topmost layer Himadri. The second one is Himachal mountain range. This is lie on the south of Himadri, just next to the Himadri. This lie to the south of Himadri range, and his average height from 3700 meter to 4500 meter. Here are so many scenic beauties and valleys are there. Example, Valley of Kashmir are already lie here. Kangra, Kullu Valley lies in this range. So many tourists are coming to see this beautiful scenery created by nature. And it is also known as Lesser Himalaya, means Himadri calling is uppermost layer or inner Himalaya. This is the Lesser Himalaya. Let's move to the third layer, Shivalik, means this is the southmost layer of the Himachal. Shivalik mountain range, it is the outermost range of Himalaya. His average height 900 meter to 1100 meter. This layer is made of alluvial soil, not made with rock, and it is not covered. Mostly you can learn it and remember in your mind, this is not covered with snow. This is made of alluvial soil. Many dunes lies in this range. Dunes means this is a very hill station and scenic features of this range. Example, Kotli Dune, Dehradun, etc. So many hill stations are there, so tourists will attract to this. So I hope you understand properly that the Himalaya divides into 3 layers: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Their average heights are different. Their madding thicks are also different. Himadri made with granite, Himachal made with granite and soil both, and Shivalik is only made with alluvial soil. So these 3 layers are very important to describe the Himalaya mountains. So many rivers are also originate from this Himalaya, means the lifeline of our India, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, Yamuna, so many rivers originate from this Himalaya. So this is the very important part of this chapter. So you learn it and note it down, and if you have any query or doubt, so note it down and discuss to me in the classes itself. So I hope you understand properly, learn it properly. Thank you so much. Students, now we are starting. We had already started the chapter 2 and discussed about the different physical features, plateaus, mountains and different oceans. Now in this topic we are discussing about different Himalayas according to their situation, location and directions. So first we are discussing about the northern westernmost Himalaya. What they call? It is called Punjab Himalaya, because the situation between Indus River and Satluj, that's why it's called Punjab Himalaya. And Himalaya is also started with this point. So when we move downwards in the Nepal region, this Himalaya is called Nepal Himalaya, and between the Nepal Himalaya and Punjab Himalaya, the Kumaon Himalaya, it is formed by the Satluj and Kali river divided in different Himalayas. Now the next Himalaya is separated by Nepal Himalaya by the two rivers Kali and Tista rivers. Between Tista and Dihang river, easternmost Himachal Pradesh, and that called Himalaya is Assam Himalaya. Assam Himalaya is situated in the Arunachal Pradesh, and just below that the Arunachal Pradesh, this Himalaya called as Purvanchal. So these are the different names of Himalayas according to their situation and location. Now move towards, now it's over to the all Himalayas. I hope you understand properly with their different rivers. Now move to the desert, western part of the Indian desert. Indian desert is situated in the western part of India. We call that state Rajasthan. So it lies western India in the state of Rajasthan. Many parts in the Pakistan also after the partition. It receives very low rainfall, means below 150 millimeter per year. It get very low rainfall. That's why it has a very low vegetation and very arid region. It has an arid climate, low vegetation, covered by small places. So their population in the desert is, means sand soil is covered with the whole area, because area wise Rajasthan is the largest state, but people are residing in this state are in less number. That's why it is the only area wise, and population wise Uttar Pradesh is the largest state. So it has only one river called as Luni. Luni is the only river flow in this region, and it is not a perennial river. It is brought by in the summer almost because of low rainfall. So I hope you understand properly that India has plateaus in the Deccan area. India has a mountain, we have already discussed, and India has a desert, we call it Indian desert, and the name that is Thar desert. So I hope you understand properly. You revised it one time and more than one time at home. Note it down with flow chart or in this form. So if you have any query, talk to me in the classes. I hope you understand properly, learn it properly. Thank you.